YouTube and all my babies. It's your girl Receivers coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and tell your friends and tell somebody else, because your girl really does appreciate the support. And it'll let YouTube know you're feeling your girl. So y'all, I just wanted to come on here and do like a compare and type of, I guess, a compare and contrast video of my journals. So y'all definitely go on AliExpress. I know unfortunately I can't link these down below, but AliExpress sells the LV Dupe journals. So y'all remember this one. This was the A6, pretty massive, pretty big. Y'all know I use this for school. Let me go ahead. So y'all know I use this for school. It's pretty huge and it's very massive. This is definitely something that's user-friendly if you're carrying like a tote, a backpack, or maybe if you're just carrying it in your hand. If you want to carry something this big, as you can see, it's pretty stinking big because I have pretty big hands. So yes, this is something, maybe if you want to keep this at your desk or at your office, definitely a good investment. So this is the A5. Something that's a little bit more everyday friendly to like put in your purse or something. This is the A6. I usually keep this in my purse, depending on what size my purse is. It can fit in there. And, you know, I use it for journaling, coming up with different YouTube content that I want to do in the future, or just jotting down, you know, my thoughts and stuff. Sometimes I want to write a little poetry or whatever, and, you know, I put the stuff in here. So this is, you know, not that big, very manageable. So this is the A5. I'm sorry, the A6. So we have A5, A6, and then they have a smaller size, which I did not even know about, y'all, and it's the A7. I found out that this can be pretty useful as far as the size. It can fit in like my smaller purses that this one can't fit in. As you can see, the size difference. So this is definitely something good. The only difference is because they do have different paper sizes, but as you can see, this size of paper is small. So when I'm writing, it's going to be kind of like, because I got big hands, y'all. So when I'm writing, it's going to be, you know, they have paper that comes out to here. But I got this one because it was cheap and I thought it was pretty cute with like heels, a purse, and stuff like that. So me writing in it, because I got big hands, y'all. So just to give you an idea. Okay, I don't know why my phone just went blurry. Okay, there we go. So as you can see, like my hand is going to be right here. Let me see. Hello, everyone. So as you can see, it's not an issue with me having to, you know, kind of have my hand a little hanging off, but, you know, it just depends on how you're comfortable. So just know that maybe you might want to get paper that's a little bit longer in length, but this is definitely a good size to have, especially if you're carrying like little purses, like itty bitty purses. Y'all know what I mean when I say little purses. Like for example, lately I've been carrying my fanny pack. Y'all, my fanny pack. And my fanny pack's pretty massive, so this is something I can just toss in here and go. I could for real toss this one in here, but just toss this in and go and just be about my day. So I just wanted to come on here and share those sizes with you. And like as you can see, there's a big size difference. So we have the A5, the A6, and the A7. So hopefully this will help a little bit if you're looking for different sizes. I know they definitely have like bigger sizes and they may have smaller sizes, but these are the three sizes I would say would be more functional. Functional. Am I making up a word or not? You'll be able to function more with these sizes if you're trying to carry them with you daily. All right, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.